goes fingernail 3 of mine with the ants. I didn't realise they were so interested in fingernails. Good morning. It's unusually overcast today, but the wind is still coming from the north, which is good for me. It's about 10 kilometres around the coast to Azemmour, and then I'll turn inland, although the wind should still be with me, heading towards Marrakech. Assalamu alaikum. Shukran. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. I wonder if there used to be ovens. Friday, so that's why everything feels so dead, I guess. Trying to find my way down to the river, but every route on the map is a lie. It's obviously a walled town, so it's proving quite difficult to get out of it. I think this is the way they're directing me. I guess you can't reach it with a bicycle. Hey! But I don't really feel like it was worth all those additional kilometres. I remembered the sugar cubes being this big, but I thought my memory was playing tricks on me because I haven't seen them until right now. Oh, that smell is amazing. Turned inland now, pretty directly south towards Marrakech. The wind is from the north, so far so good. Oh my gosh, it's so quiet away from the highway. This is lovely. I'm going to see how long this lasts before I make judgment. Okay, I'm ready to say this is annoying and slow going. Well, this is not going to work for 200 kilometers to Marrakech. Had enough of this. I'm supposed to be going straight ahead, but I'm going to follow the bitumen in the wrong direction, see what I find this way. Assalamu alaikum. Oh. Where are you going? Assalamualaikum. Just can't seem to find a sealed road going north-south. Ali has packed me off with this bag of, must be a kilo of homemade biscuits, thank you Ali's mum, and nuts. At the mosque I reassessed my route options, so I've doubled back to the bitumen. I'm going to follow it to the main road because this stuff is too slow going. This is much better going, and only a tiny bit further as well. Assalamu alaikum. This is the small bit of forest I saw on the map that I have in mind to camp in. I don't know how effective this is, but I have left a line directly to my tent, so I feel like I should do something about it. This is the spot then, as hidden as I'm likely to find around here. There's not a lot in the way of forest. Dinner time. It's about an hour till sunset, so hopefully this is a good spot. Seems alright. I covered about 70 or 75 kilometers today, some of it way harder than necessary. Hopefully by going on the main road it should be easier to Marrakech in the coming days.